World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11th every year, which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1989. It was inspired by the public interest in 5 billion day on 11th July 1987, the approximate date on which the world's population reached 5 billion people. World Population Day aims to increase people's awareness on various population issues such as importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. The day was suggested by Dr. K.C. Zakaria, in which population reaches 5 billion, when he worked as a senior demographer at World Bank. While press interest and general awareness in the global population surges only at the increments of 4 billion of people. The world population increases annually by 100 million approximately every 14 months. On World Population Day, advocates from around the world are calling on leaders, policymakers, grassroots organizers, institutions, and others help to make reproductive health and rights a reality for all. Growing population has become a major concern for many countries and the world altogether, as more population leads to increased use of resources. India is the second largest populated country in the world. The population in our country is 1,380,000,000 and 4,385. United Nations Population Fund, formerly the United Nations Fund for Population Activities, is a UN organization. The UNFPA says it is the lead UN agency for delivering a world where every pregnancy is wanted, every childbirth is safe, and every young person's potential is fulfilled. Their work involves the improvement of reproductive health, including creation of national strategies and protocols and birth control by providing supplies and services. The organization has recently been known for its worldwide campaign against child marriage, obstetric fistula, and female genital mutilation. The agency began operation in 1969 as the United Nations Fund for Population Activities under the administration of the United Nations Development Fund. In 1971, it was placed under the authority of United Nations General Assembly. Its name was changed into United Nations Population Fund in 1987. Putting the brakes on COVID-19, how to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. It is the theme of World Population Day 2020. The COVID-19 crisis has taken a staggering toll on people, communities, and economic everywhere, but not everyone is affected equally. Women, who account for the largest share of frontline health workers, for example, are disproportionately exposed to the coronavirus. Supply chains around the world are being disrupted, impacting the availability of contraceptives and heightening the risk of unintended pregnancy. As countries are on lockdown and health systems struggle to cope, sexual and reproductive health services are being sidelined and gender-based violence is on the rise. Recent UNFPA research highlighted that if the lockdown continues for 6 months, with major disruptions to health services, then 47 million women in low and middle income countries may not be able to access modern contraceptives, resulting 7 million unintended pregnancies. 31 million additional cases of gender-based violence can also be expected. The disruption of UNFPA's programs on the ground could result in 2 million cases of female genital mutilation and 13 million child marriage between 2020 and 2030 that could have been averted. Moreover, women disproportionately work in insecure labor markets and are hardened hit by the economic impacts of COVID-19. Nearly 60% of women worldwide work in the informal economy. At greater risk of falling into poverty, women's unpaid care work has increased on a result of school closures and the increased needs of older people. The pandemic is hitting marginalized communities particularly hard, deepening inequalities, and threatening to set us back in our effort to leave no one behind. Our response to COVID 19 in every country is critical and will determine how fast the world recovers and whether we achieve the Sustainable Development Goals or not. On 11th July World Population Day, UNFPA aims to raise awareness about the sexual and reproductive health needs and vulnerabilities of women and girls during the pandemic to highlight how we can safeguard hard-fought gains and ensure that sexual and reproductive health and rights stays on the local agenda, and to explore how to maintain the momentum towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030 that we release at the Nairobi Summit 14th November 2019. So let's break the chain, fight against COVID-19, stay safe. Thank you.